Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create PaySafeCard account. So if you're new to our channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser on your computer or your laptop. So I'm using Chrome and I'm gonna search for PaySafeCard. So when you have this page, you need to select sign up for PaySafe. You don't need to click the first link because if you click that one, you will just be headed to their information page. So now let's go back and click the sign up for PaySafe. So the first thing you need to select is your country. I'm just going to select United States and then click continue. Now input your login details. You need to input your email address and your password. Once you're done with that, you just click continue, and after that you will receive a verification from your email address. So what you need to do is open the email address, and then once you're there, click the confirm email button, and now you have your email address verified. So just click continue and then enter your personal details, your first name, last name, and date of birth. Once done with that, just click continue and then enter the address that you have, the street, the house number, zip code, and the city. And then you click continue and input your mobile number. Once you input your mobile number and click continue, you will receive a 6-digit code on your mobile number. So if you haven't received one, just click resend code. But if you received the code, just input it here. And once you're done, just click continue and you will be headed to the welcome page. And it will say, welcome to PaySafeCard. Please wait a bit before using my PaySafeCard again. We are glad to have you on our team. And that's it, guys. That's how you can make your own PaySafeCard account. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to leave this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.